Parents and my dear fellows, I hope you are all in the best of health. I'm Vanya Asad from grade 10, and today I stand in front of you to deliver a speech on my journey of school life. School life is the best part of a life. Every student should make the best of school life, because once it's over, it never comes back again. I still remember my first day at Excelite International School. I was among the first 10 students of the school. From the very first day it started, and I'm proud. And I'm proud to be here today as the last one standing. I have spent 7 years in the school, the best part of my school life. My life at Excel made me learn something new almost every day. It helped me gain understanding, helped me gain dedication and self-actualization, helped me succeed in my studies and in my co-curricular activities. My teachers motivated me to achieve my best, which is a big part of what I am today. And most importantly, I gained friends here. It was definitely the period where I found myself and learned a great deal about myself. I'm proud to be an Excelite. I can't thank enough all my teachers, Sir Romer, and all the staff at school. And I just want your well wishes and your prayers for my future. Thank you everyone for making me a proud Excelite. Thank you very much.